How do you meet people? How do you make friends? Now that is a question I get over and over and over. Where do I go? What should I say? How do you start a conversation? How do you meet people, Rachel? Well, I'm about to tell you, and it's really easy. And I will make more videos with examples, but basically there's 3 key elements. 1, find the hobby or the activity that you enjoy. 2, do your research. 3, enjoy doing what you love and meet people. Okay, what do I mean? 1, what are the things that you like doing? Think about it. What did you do back home? What do you like to learn? Maybe something new. Do you like to go running? Do you like walking? Do you like nature? Do you like cooking, painting, singing? What do you enjoy? Going to a pub? Going to the library? Think about that. Write things down. Really, writing is a great way to make things clear and to put things of your mind onto paper. So, what are the things that you like? Good. Now you have all of that on paper. Now you go online and you search. Where can I find the running group? Where is there a library? Maybe a book club? Or Google, the local site with activities. Find the things that you enjoy in your neighborhood, your new neighborhood. Okay? So 1, what is it that you like? 2, do your research. 3, go to these activities because that's where you will meet the people that do the things that you enjoy. So it's like-minded people. You immediately have a conversation because you talk about the things that you know and that you like and that you enjoy. So there's no worry about what should I say. So you're doing the things that you enjoy and you're meeting people. The first thing I usually do is I find a gym. I find a gym because I love working out. When I'm at the gym, I can start talking to people at the gym. I can start making conversations there about working out, about some routine, some habits, something. But it's a great way to start talking. At least I feel I'm not, awkward and I'm just being social. And you're not alone. You're not alone because you're doing something that other people are enjoying as well. So a painting class, a singing class, a dancing class, going outside in a group and walking in nature. It all depends on where you are and what you enjoy doing. But you will find those activities. So yes, it takes a little bit of effort, a little bit of research and digging out, but you will end up doing the things that you enjoyed back home or that you're enjoying now new. And it's a great way to meet people. And those people are the ones that do the things that you like. And over time, it develops amazing friendships. And it's not about, I have no friends after 1 month. Be realistic here. How long did it take to really build a friendship back home? It takes time. It takes effort. But if you see the same people over and over again, you start building a relationship and a friendship. So give it time, but start by doing the things that you enjoy. It's that easy.